Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shamir Nicole. Welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing my get ready with me bedtime routine, but I wanted to show you guys the newest products that I've been adding to my skincare regimen and why I love them. So if you guys are new here, I talk a lot about my skincare journey, how I had hyperpigmentation. I've suffered from acne most of my life, and up until recent years I've been able to get my acne under control as well as clear my skin of hyperpigmentation and acne scars. One of the ways that I've been able to do that has been by incorporating vitamin C in my skin routine. I use vitamin C religiously. I use it in the morning as well as at night. So I have two different formulations of vitamin C. I wear vitamin C underneath my makeup now during the day, and then I have a stronger concentration of vitamin C that I use at night. So tonight, that's what we're going to be doing. The vitamin C that I've been using has been by Dermalogica, and it is their Biolume C serum. I have it in the drops, which I apply all over my face, and then I have the Biolume serum that I apply only to my eyes. Now, if you are not familiar with vitamin C is used again to brighten the skin, and that is what I use it for because I suffer from hyperpigmentation. So I use it to brighten my skin to help remove those old hyperpigmentation scars and acne scars. But vitamin C is also used to help fight environmental factors like pollen and pollution, all of the things that can kind of dull your skin out. Vitamin C is also used to help fight fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. So it is an anti-aging product. And of course, that's why I love it, because I always want my skin to be young and youthful and supple, and of course wrinkle free. So tonight I'm going to be showing you guys how I incorporate it in my nighttime skin routine. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the benefits as I go, and we're going to jump right into today's video. So right now I still do have my foundation on my face, so I'm going to show you all of the products that I use each night to remove my makeup, or if I'm trying to be extra and I want to have a spa night like I'm doing tonight, I'm going to also show you those extra products that I like to use. So the first product that I like to use is my Hydrating Milk by Pixi. So I'm going to be using their Hydrating Milk. This is the makeup remover. I like to use Pixi products a lot because, again, I have acne prone skin and my skin is very sensitive. So there are a lot of products that work really great on the market, but I can't use them because it breaks my skin out really bad. So Pixi is a brand I can use. Honestly, I've used everything from their line and it hasn't broken me out or given me any adverse effects. So this is, like I said, is their coconuts and probiotics. I wasn't even aware that that was on there, and I'm not even a fan of coconut. So this does not smell like coconut at all because I do not like coconut anything. So yeah, keep that in mind. So it says they're hydrating milky makeup remover. So I just use this to go across my skin because it doesn't break me out, like I said, and it helps to remove the makeup really fast. And another reason I like to use Pixi products are because they definitely have a nice water base, but I don't feel like my skin is being stripped of its natural oils like a lot of other products that I use. And that works great with me. So you have to apply your cotton pad to the bottom and press. And when I'm under my eyes, I like to go in the upward motion because, again, we're trying to fight fine lines and wrinkles, so you don't want to put too much tugging on the skin. Okay, you guys, so I'm back from washing my face. I wanted to show you the two products that I alternate between when I'm washing my face. So the first product is the Pixi. This is the Retinol Jasmine Cleanser. It is kind of like a clay-like, I don't want to say clay, but essentially it's more of a creamier cleanser, so it doesn't dry my face out, and I feel like it helps to kind of keep my skin tight. That's what the retinol is in there for. Retinol, again, is another product that helps fight fine lines and wrinkles. So I try to get as much retinol in my skin as well. So I typically am using this one at night, but because tonight I know I'm going to be doing my kind of spa night, I went in with a little bit of a stronger cleanser, also because I was wearing makeup today, and this one is the Proactive Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. This is one of the only products by Proactive that I'm able to use that doesn't break my skin out. It is a gentle exfoliator, so it helps to remove the dead skin from my face, as well as help to remove the makeup when I'm wearing that as well. So I wanted to exfoliate tonight, so this is what I use to clear my skin. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to steam my face. So this is my favorite part of a spa night, is my steamer. I just feel like I'm sweating all my sins away. I just feel like my pores are open, my mind is open, my skin is getting clean, I'm extracting all of the impurities. It is by far my favorite part. So I'm going to turn my steamer on and I'm going to steam my face, and then we're going to continue on with my skin routine. Also, this steamer is from Amazon. It's really inexpensive. I'll link it below if you guys are interested, but nothing fancy. You don't gotta spend $1,000. It's just a facial steamer, but you know, like I said, I'll link it below. So you just press the button here and it is going to start to create steam, and then the magic will start to happen. Okay, so now that my face is steamed, you may hear my steamer in the background, so I apologize for that. But now that my face is steamed, I'm going to move on to my toning. So, per usual, one of my favorite toners is by none other than Pixi. So I'm going to be using my Pixi toner. They were gracious enough to give me this one in like a large container because I use a lot of it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of toner on the cotton pad and go across my skin. And you're also going to notice too, especially if you wear makeup, now you're going to see no matter how well I clean my skin, how much I exfoliate, when I steam and then I use my toner, I always see dirt and residue that was stuck deep down into my pores. It always comes out. So that's one of the reasons why I love my steamer, and then I like to use my toners right after I steam my face. See that? And that was after, remember, after I washed my face and after I used my exfoliator. So yeah, you still have a lot of dirt and debris on the skin, and again, that's why I love to steam. It just gets everything out of your skin. So now I'm going to be going into with my Dermalogica, the Biolumin I showed you guys before. So we're going to start off by using the eye cream. So I like to do my eye creams first, and I try not to touch my eyes with them, so I just squeeze out a little bit in the tube. I let it kind of drip, and then I place it underneath my eyes. Oops, that didn't work out. And then I take my ring finger and apply underneath my eyes. The reason I use my ring finger because is the weakest finger, and it will not pull and tug onto the skin. And remember, the skin underneath your eye is the most delicate, so you don't want to pull and tug too much. Next, I'm going to go in with my serum. So I'm going to take a few drops of this. So when I fill it up, I try to fill it up maybe to like the middle of the nozzle. And like I said, maybe 3 to 4 drops in an upward motion on the skin. So before I like to rub the products into my skin, I like to apply my Jade Roller. So my Jade Roller I also got off Amazon. I'll link it below. I like to use my Jade Roller when I'm using any oils or any serums, and sometimes even creams on my skin. I feel as though when I use it with the Jade Roller, it helps to better absorb into the skin. I don't have to use my hands as much with no tugging to prevent the wrinkles, and it also increases blood circulation on the face as well. So you want to keep that jawline tight and you want to smooth out any of those areas where you might have crow's feet or wrinkles on the skin. So I like to take this and I go across one area of my face about 3 to 4 times, and then I move on to the next area. And then also on the bottom of the Jade Roller, you'll see there is a small ball, and I like to use that to concentrate underneath my eyes as well. Alright, you guys, so now on to the final step. I'm going to be applying my moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm going to be using tonight is going to be a new one. I'm not sure how I feel about it just yet because I am still trying it out. So hold on for that review. But it is by IT Cosmetics. It's called Confidence in a Cream. It is their anti-aging rejuvenative concentrate. It's a moisturizer. It's a long fancy moisturizer. So again, it's called Confidence in a Cream. It looks like this. Oops. And it is a nice thick luxurious cream. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to the skin and to the neck, and that is going to finish it off. Let's see. It feels really, really good. I love my thicker creams for the nighttime, especially after I steam my skin. Oh, I love this. And I just want to note this moisturizer has a hint, I feel like it's a hint of lemon zest to it. Maybe not lemon zest. Maybe like lemon, no, I don't want to say grass. It's something very refreshing about the moisturizer. I just can't put my finger on it right now. Maybe I need to see what ingredient that is. Okay, you guys, so that is going to complete today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about vitamin C, feel free to leave those questions in the comment section. I'm going to be answering all of your questions. And in the video description, I'm going to also leave a link if you want to get any more information on vitamin C and just the benefits of vitamin C that I didn't cover in this video. I will have a link in the video description for you to read all about the benefits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.